Alright guys, it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. As you can see, we're low on the washer fluid. Alright, let's go ahead and top it off. Alright, first thing you want to do is open the hood. It's right there. Alright, just gonna get under the hood now. After that, let's go ahead and open the hood. That's right there, as you can see. Let's go ahead and lift it up. Alright, so our washer fluid is right here, as you can see. Pull that up. Alright, let's go ahead and top it off. Alright, so once you top it off, let's go ahead and close the cap. Alright, so there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.